Okay, so I'm taking the dissenting viewpoint of a Supreme Court justice that, for the sake of equality, that the prisoners have to be let out of prison because the president has immunity, which means that convicted felons have immunity, which also means that convicted felons can be substitute teachers. I know this is a very unpopular opinion. But what I would have to say, since this country is notorious for placing the needs of children above and beyond that of adults who are grown adults, and even in some cases thinking that children need to have jobs above and beyond adults, then I have to take that unpopular dissenting view that if I was a Supreme Court justice, I would have to rule that the president has immunity, which means that convicted felons also have immunity and they should be let out of prison. And we're completely ignoring the existing rule of law. We're ignoring all of it. As though it doesn't exist. And so we're just letting convicted felons out of prison, even though they have done criminal acts against children, but they're getting let out of prison now for the sake of equality because the president has immunity. So the convicted felons, of course, have immunity. That's what there's going to be arguing, is that the convicted felons, their rights are being violated because the president says he has immunity, which this means then in turn the convicted felons should also have immunity from the crimes that they did. And so this is the direction that this country is going down right now, related to this, the president having immunity from a crime. This is the direction that it's going down. And it's not headed in a good direction. I mean, because the president himself is ignoring the fact that he actually has 34 felonies. And so, but I've said that I think he ran for president to delay and stall the charges that he's going to be met with once he is done being president. I don't know even why they let him be president with the charges, because there was plenty of time they could have arrested him and put him in prison, in jail, during the time that he was running for president. He should resign right now. That's what I think.